Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial of HTML5 for beginners. Now in this video we will talk about HTML tag table. The table tag is very important in HTML5 or HTML the previous versions. So how we can use the table tag and HTML? So first of all, I have made the page basic syntax and save the file the table.html, and I already opened the browser. Then I want to use table tag. So what I can do, I just need to write the table and table close, right? Then you need to provide the rows and columns. So what do you need to do? You write the tag tr means table row. I want to use one row, means one tr tag and one tr tag close. It means this is a one row, so I want to use one row, and then this is a one row, right? And then what do you need to use the columns on this row? What are your requirement? For example, do you want to use the 4 column 3 columns? So you need to write td means table data tag. This is a one column, one row, one column. And do you want to insert another column? So you write between tr tag, this tag, and closing this tag, you need to write the td tag again, td tag close. This is the first column, second column, right? So I insert column name, for example id, and second column name is name, and I want to use another column like email, and fourth column name is picture. For example, picture, we will use picture in table. So I just write the basic syntax and one row and 4 columns in table. So let's check on browser. Here you can see it's only showing text on our browser, but we are used the table tag. So why the border or column or rows not showing on the browser? Because we only use the table tag and one row and 4 columns. I do not use the attributes on the tables. So do you want to use attribute? You can show the borders and then align colors, background colors, etc. You can use many features in the table tag. Like for example, I want to show the align, the text align is a center. Save the file, open browser and refresh the air. You can see it, the text showing on our browser the center. And then do you want to use border? Then the table all looks is show on our browser. So I want to use border 2 pixels. Save file, browser open, and then refresh the page. Here you can see it, the one column, second column, third column, and fourth column, right? After that, the another attribute like bg color, I want to use bg color yellow. Save file, open browser, refresh the page. Here you can see the first column is yellow, second column is yellow, third, fourth, the all columns are yellow. And then in other attributes like cell padding, and then cell padding is used to space the between the text and table borders. So for example, I write the 5 pixel, save file, and then open browser and refresh the page. Here you can see it, the text is showing the front or center between the around the borders, right? And then the another attribute cell spacing. It means one cell space, second cell space. For example, this cell is no any space on the second column is like ID and routine. I've increased the table or browser zooming size. Here you can see it, the first table name here is no any space show between ID and name. So do you want to make a space, so you use cell padding, cell spacing tag. I write for example 5 pixel and I save the file, open the browser and refresh the page. Here you can see the space is showed or displayed on the browser between the right. Here the around the border outside, this is this border. So I use 1 pixel and browser and refresh. Here you can see the around the border size is decreased. Now this is the one way to use the table tag and table attributes, but you can use the all attributes in tr tag and td tag, right? So I want to insert the data of first column, second column, third column and fourth column. So what I can do, I just make another row, tr, right, and save the file, open the browser, refresh the page. Here you can see the only show space because we are only make a row. I do not the assign the columns on second row. So I use for example td again. Td means table data and id 00001. td second column asif, and third column admin, right, and fourth column we are use image tag because we are insert image img src double quotation, and my folder is my pictures available in images folder. Here you can see it, the images folder, and then this is our project, and here is the images folder. So I want to display this image on our last column, right? So I just copy this complete name and paste, write backslash and paste here, and use extension, then close the tag, save the file, open the browser and refresh the page. I decrease the size on the browser. Here you can see it, the first name and second column name, third column name and fourth column is showing the image because image is so large. So we are used to decrease the width and height on this image. So I use 300 pixel or 150 pixel, and height 150 pixel. Again save the file, open the browser and refresh the file. Here you can see the first name, second name, first column data, second column data, third column data and fourth column data, right? And then do you want to use the attributes do you want to this data and this data and this data as background color is changed? Do you want to change? You can use BG color and use or insert the BG color name. Here you can see the BG color are changed. Now video is not good, but I use Sky video. Here this is a perfect. Now we are insert another table row and then table data, the double 0.2 and td2 and then td tag close and admin @onlineituts.com, and then I want to display this last tag on link. So what I can do, I just write the same way array, and this is my website name, and then I close the tag and show the text with last column OnlineITtuts. Save the file, open the browser and refresh the page. Here you can see the second column, second row and first column 0001 0012 align to free, and this is a link. And then do you want to only show the first row and you write something text or insert image or link? You can do it. How you can do it? You write again tr kilo, this is a table row, and td, only use td, right? And for example I like programmers and also digital marketer, right? For example, I write the text on third table row and single column. So let's check it how this show. Here you can see the table is not showing the good or something like boring, right? So what do you need to do to set up the table but the text only show on below? So you need to write the attribute called span and how many have columns, for example 1 2 3 4. So do you want to use 4, then this text is showing the completely under the second column, first column, third column, one column, right? So I use 4. Save the file, open the browser and refresh the page. Here you can see the now we are understood the how we can use table tag and other important thing on table in HTML. For example, I use TD. This text only show normal text, something like this, right? Do you want to use this text is strong or clear? So you change the TD to TH. TH means table heading, right? Table heading, and then table heading. So this row and these columns are a heading on this table. Save the file, open the browser and refresh the page. Here you can see the text is up bold or strong, and here you can see the any other text only show normal way. So this is a simple way to make a table and use the attributes. I hope you are understood as well. If you have any question about this topic, kindly comment me on below section. Thank you very much for watching. See you in next lecture.